Do you remember that video I posted about DS Laboratories and their game-changing Revita hair density shampoo and conditioner? Well, this time around, they have a new product in their lineup, and it has many more ingredients that I'm going to tell you all about because it helps with hair thinning and hair loss even more than before. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Amit, and in today's video I wanted to go through the all-new Revita Extra Strength Hair Density Shampoo from DS Laboratories. They were kind enough to send me their latest and greatest product with an all-new formula that is targeted to help with advanced hair thinning and hair regrowth. Now, if you haven't heard from DS Laboratories, let me fill you in. DS Laboratories is a leading dermatologist brand specialized in science-backed hair care and skincare, offering a wide range of clinical-grade products formulated and recommended by top dermatologists all around the world. They focus on creating products of the highest quality and proven efficiency that drive real results. An example of a real result is mine. This is how I used to look before using the shampoo, and this is how I look 5 months later after using it. You can see that there is a noticeable difference, especially in my mid-scalp, where there wasn't that much density in that area. And whereas now I have much more fuller hair in that area thanks to using the shampoo on a regular basis. After using the Revita hair density shampoo consistently, the density of my hair growth has been exponential. And now, knowing that this was the result of the original product, I definitely wanted to give out a try to the Revita Extra Strength hair density shampoo because I want my hair to be even more thicker than it already is in the long run. Let's now talk about the new ingredients of the shampoo, which are key in providing more hair regrowth and combat against hair thinning. This powerful formula is not only an antioxidant, but also an anti-inflammatory, making it a double threat against hair loss. Packed with strengthening amino acids, it works to maximize hair density, providing that fuller look we all desire. Plus, it's specifically designated to maintain scalp vitality and improve overall hair quality. And what's great is that it achieves all this while gently cleansing the scalp and hair with its coconut-based cleanser formula, leaving your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. But what really sets the shampoo apart from others is the ability to deliver a powerful formula that works from the inside, strengthening hair fibers and providing more volume. It's like giving your hair the boost it needs within its roots. Now let's talk about the revolutionary aspect of this shampoo, which is inclusion of Nanoxodil. Now this is the first of its kind in the market of any shampoo to have Nanoxodil within its formula. And for those who don't know what Nanoxodil is, it basically stimulates hair follicles by opening ion channels and prolonging the hair growth phase. It promotes the conversion of follicles from the telogen phase to the anagen phase, nourishing follicles and expanding blood vessels to include nutrients and oxygen supply in the root. This means that Nanoxodil reacts to the main cause of progressive hair loss, working alongside other powerful ingredients such as biotin, caffeine, and green tea extract. Other additional ingredients include novel caffeine complex, 2 JAK inhibitors, horse chestnut extract, copper tripeptides, 4 DHT inhibitors, turmeric, zinc, and as well as saw palmetto. Speaking of saw palmetto, this is one of the main ingredients that helps boast Revita's extra strength high density shampoo with ultra thickening properties. Saw palmetto has been proven effective in treating androgenic alopecia by acting as DHT inhibitor. It is known for its ability to increase hair density. So not only does it help combat hair loss, but it also gives you that extra thickness that you've definitely been wanting. And for those of you who prioritize clean beauty, you'll be happy to know that the new Revita Extra Strength Hair Density Shampoo boasts a 100% vegan formula. Vegan shampoos use mild plant-based cleansers, making them gentle on the scalp and suitable for sensitive skin. Plus, it's sulfate-free as well, meaning no sodium lauren sulfate or sodium laureth sulfate, commonly found in other shampoos that are linked with inflammation, irritation, and even hair loss. I would highly recommend pairing this product with Revita Hair Density Conditioner to achieve the maximum results. I made another video talking about the in-depth analysis of the original product of the hair density shampoo as well as the hair conditioner and how they're best used together, so be sure to check that video out if you haven't already. Now I'll show you how exactly to use this particular shampoo, a little before and after of applying the shampoo and drying out my hair completely. Using the Revita Extra Strength shampoo is a breeze. Simply wet your hair and apply the shampoo. I usually put 2 pumps onto my palm, rub it together, then massage it into the scalp for a couple of minutes. Let it sit for a few more minutes and allow the active ingredients to work their magic, and then you rinse accordingly. For the best results, it's recommended to use it regularly as part of your hair care routine. And after a quick dry, your hair should look like this. So I have been using this product for about a month now, and honestly I feel like it has given me even more density than I have had before. Although it is still in the early stages, using a shampoo like this will take time to achieve those final results. A prime example is what I had used initially before for the original product of the Revita hair density shampoo, and 5-6 months later I actually feel like my hair has become more dense. I'm starting to use the Revita Extra Strength shampoo product now, and in 6 months later, I'm very confident that I will have even more thicker and denser hair than before. Overall, I am pretty happy with using this product, and I'm very thankful that DS Laboratories was able to send it over to me to test out, give my own feedback, and hopefully recommend it to people out there who are also struggling with hair thinning and hair loss. This is a great product to use, and I would highly recommend it. While it is a little bit on the pricier side, it is still an investment to help gain your hair back as well as your confidence. And because I've partnered with DS Laboratories on this product, they were kind enough to provide a limited time discount code exclusively for my audience. So if you're interested in trying the product, definitely take advantage of using that discount code below. It is available for a limited time only. Do consider clicking it and getting a good discount on the product and trying it out for yourself. If you have tried out the shampoo or have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you again to DS Laboratories for sponsoring this video. I'm excited to see where it takes me over the next couple of months and see how dense my hair can really get. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I hope you found this video helpful and it brought you some value. That's all from me for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.